Good day everybody, Dominic here from DC Model Building Group. I have a little update on what I'm building and on the moment. We start with Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, that's new for me, that's new for you. I paint this Griffin from Dungeons and Dragons. It's not bad. So much people say the color different is really nice. I am really happy with it. In the inside of the wings, I painted first. The colors I don't know anymore. I painted with game colors from Vallejo. It's really nice paint job. I'm really happy with it, and I have a second one. That is I look for it. I have them here. There's another one, and I like this one too. This is my second one. I paint this really soon. I don't know, not this week, maybe next week, I don't know. I'm in the mood for painting. I paint this one. This is a really nice model to paint. Yeah, okay. I set it back on the shelf. Okay. Then we have an update on something new for me, a model car. I make this model car. This is a Hornby 1/32 scale AMG Mercedes. Hornby is before Airfix, I think. As people would say to me, I have no idea. I like the paint job is not bad. I painted with Pro Scale paints. I have the color here. Rodman's Blue. Pro Scale paints. 2035. Really nice color for this car. And I clear coated, not 2K. I have 2K paint. I am sure I used it one time. I cannot do that with my animals in my house. I am in my living room. That's not safe for my animals. Dus I go to the store and I buy this glossy paint. Top coat van VMS. People say to me, really good paint, clear coat. And I have the matte one. It's not cheap, but I have one of this and one of the other, and that's it. Yeah, this is my car build. And then we have a Spitfire Supermarine Mark 1 from Tamiya. That kit is work in progress. I primed this parts. This is I'll show you later where I place these pieces on the bottom side, and then you have a really nice, this thing is coming on the bottom side, and then you do the wheels here and here, and then you place this, and then you do this two plates on it and this one in the middle, and then this cannot break anymore. This is really close glued to the model, and I'm really happy with the system. It's really smart from Tamiya. This part is primed too. This is the backside wing. I don't know how you say that. I have here for the smoke coming out, I think muffler, you say muffler? Yeah. Yeah, this one is really cool, really nice. I do it on this way with the nipper and I primed them. And we have here the glass panels. I painted not yet, dus I do the side, the little windows. I painted later. I do that not yet, and I am sure I end this in a really nice job. And then you have the plane itself. Look this. This is my little stand, 3D printed stand. You can buy it in a hobby store. I did it. This is my plane. He is primed. I am really happy with the primer. I prime him with Mr. Surfacer 1000. I'm really happy with this. The details, you can see the details really good. Come on camera, focus, yeah. Yeah, he's really good detailed with the panel lines and everything. You can see it really good. I love that. What I go to do with it, I go try the pre-shading. People say pre-shading. And then you do a little bit dark. I think I take dark gray to close to black. And then you do the panel lines, a little bit paint on it, and then you paint it the right color, which is a really light color on the bottom, and then you see all the panel lines really good. And then you do oil paints over it, and then it's falling down in the panel lines, and you see then the really nice, we say in Dutch, overloop. Then you see the panel line is darker than the color, and you see really good the panel lines in it. And then you dry brush a little bit with oil paints. Yeah, that's really good, really good. I love to do that. I love airplanes. That's my, yeah. I was not always sure I do airplanes, and people say try it. Yeah, I built a couple of airplanes. Yeah, that is my work in progress for now. There's a build coming on next Tuesday, not Thursday, Tuesday. Yeah, we go with a model club. I go build this one, 1/72 scale. The Fokker DR1 Edward. This is a really interesting kit. 80% of this kit is PE photo etch. That is, yeah, I think that is a crazy kit to build. I am sure people go say, you're crazy. Yeah, I know. Oh. Everything is falling down. Yeah, he is here. Okay. Look through this. This is crazy, right? What you go to do with this, you bend one side and then you push this up. You twist it up. And then you have the wing, the little nice round wing. Oh, I love to do this. This is my holy grail of modeling. This is absolutely not easy. And then, yeah, and I say to my good friend, you know, this is not an easy kit for me. It's 1/72 scale. What? Okay. Yeah. This is the body of the model. Come on, camera. Not shake. This is the body. That is so unbelievable small. And then you have the really nice color photo heads. And I love color photo heads. And I'm sure I do a really good job with it. I can do this. I trust myself. And then we have here the other piece of photo heads. There's 3 sheets of photo heads. Come on. Camera. And you have 4. You have here if you the wheels. And you have 1 sprue of plastic. I go look for it. Where are the tires? Yeah, look. These are the tires. Yeah, this is a little piece of the body. Only the front of the body, I think. The other place is the tail. Okay, look, you can. Oh my god, I can build them on 2 ways. Huh? Really? Okay, that's nice. I can build a kit on 2 ways. You can build them with photo heads parts and you can build them with the plastic parts. I have no idea. But I want to build them with the photo heads. The photo heads is awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, when you build the photo heads parts, you use this, I think, for the wings. And this is the middle of the body. And then you have the sheet. I think you have a sheet. This little piece is the sheet. You twist it to the other side, you can see it is a little sheet. I make it leather sheet. And then you have the little engine. And I think I go for this little engine. And I think I do that with wire. Drill the holes in and make extra wire. You see more details. You know. I could try this. That is not easy to build. I am 100% sure it's not easy. And then you have. This is special in the kit. People think, what is this? Really big block of resin, yeah. This is a really big block of resin, you see. You can see here the... And then you do a piece of photo heads in it. And you push it down. And then you have a really nice... round piece. And this one is for the photo heads wheels. You push that in and then you this with a scissor, make it smaller and push this in the pin and push them down, and then you have the photo heads rims. And I do no paint on it, only on the plastic parts. The plastic parts what I use, I paint it. I think, yeah, that's better. And the rest of it is photo heads color. Dus what I go to do, I try, I am not sure, I try it to glue with, where is the bottle with that stuff? I had a really nice bottle with special stuff for photo etch gluing. Oh yeah, it's here. This one. You can use this for photo etch. People say it's amazing and dry really clear. Okay, dus yeah, what I go to do is I go glue it with this. I mix it a little bit with water. It looks like wood glue. Dus yeah, people say photo etch glue. Okay, dus I use this then for that. This is my second build. This is yeah. And it's only on the live stream. This build is only for the live stream for the Tuesday evening. One time in the 2 weeks. The first this week is it on the Tuesday. Then 2 weeks not. I am I look for the dates. This Tuesday is Wednesday the 2nd. Wednesday the 2nd. Then we have a live stream. The 9th, I am not here. The 16th is another week. That is no live stream that week. The 23, I am back. Yeah. And then the 6th is a no live stream. Then she have a building day to come together on a place. And then the 13th of September I live and I build this. And then I think I built them in 4 months. I hope. 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. And only building on the live stream. That is 2 hours. I have the time 2 hours to build. That is you do then 4 months. 2 times a month is 4 hours a month. It's 4, is 8, is 12, is 16 hours. Maybe I can build them in 16 hours. I don't know. 16 hours, yeah. That's nice. I hope. Yeah, we go to build that. You want more to see over this kit and what Stefan built from Scale Models for Vets. Stefan, he make another airplane, a 148 scale with all photo etch too. Dus yeah. Exactly the name of the plane, I have no idea. Now, you can see that on the live stream. Yeah? Okay. What do you do now? I close this. I thank you all for watching. I go make another sprue review van een kit. I come later back. Yeah. I make 2 videos today. Thank you all for watching. Doe je thumbs up. Set a comment down below. And see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.